I need to cross to the other side of the avenue to go to take the bus. But this is completely drawn, flooded. I cannot pass. Let me see from other streets, because I cannot go to another street even from here. This Caramel is a French bakery. You cannot go anywhere here. Ay. La pared. Hola, hola. To the wall, a la pared, to the wall. I don't know why she was telling him to go to the wall. I don't know why. Need to go to another street. Let me see. It is kickboxing classes. Let's see if I can get to my class, to give my piano class, my lessons, to a girl of 7 years old girl. She's pretty difficult. So it's a girl. Let me see if I can get to the bus from here.